So here we have Gen16 Digital Vault Cymbal Sample Set. This is Volume 1 A Series. So what this is a sample library of some really well sampled cymbals that you can use in BFD or the included modified version of BFD Eco. If we take a look at the back of the box, you'll see some information about it. You see there's 14 exclusive cymbal sounds. You see that you also get BFD Eco included in the package here. Now the BFD Eco in this package is pretty much exactly the same as the BFD Eco you would buy anywhere else, except the branding is a little bit different, and there's a all cymbal mode that is not in BFD Eco. So this sample set, when fully installed, is about 18.2 gigs, so that's a lot of cymbal sounds. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So inside the box you'll get your pack of DVDs there, quick start guide, a little enhancing your Digital Vault experience, which just gives you some advertisements for some other cymbal sets. Also lets you know some information about upgrading to BFD2 if you don't already have it. And that in the BFD Eco that is included with the Gen16 Digital Vault Z-Pack cymbal series, you're not limited to just using the cymbal sounds. You can buy drum expansion packs from Fxpansion for BFD, and they'll work in the included software. So you have your nice quick start guide, just let you know how to install it, how to run it, that sort of thing. So inside our DVD package here, see, we get 2 DVDs. You also have some more information about the Digital Vault Z-Pack. Some good information in here about the cymbals, exactly what cymbals have been sampled, and how they sound, that sort of thing. Alright. There's also, of course, a serial number inside the box so you can register your purchase and activate it and use it. So we'll install this and pull it up on screen and give it a good look. Okay, so here we are in BFD Eco DV, which is the Digital Vault version that comes with the Gen16 cymbal pack. Installation went just fine. It's just like a lot of other software that will come with a lot of samples. You can install the application to your OS drive, and then of course you have the option to install the actual samples to another drive if you want, which is what I've done. As far as authorization, it authorizes like other Fxpansion products using their license manager. Right now I have this running in Pro Tools, but you can also run the BFD Eco Digital Vault Edition in standalone mode. So you don't have to run it in a host, you can run it standalone like other programs. So this program is very similar to BFD Eco. Functionally it's pretty much the same, except this version comes with the option to choose cymbals in all slots. As you can see, cymbal is pushed in right there. And we have just the default startup preset loaded. As you can tell, they sound really superb. Really well done samples. So we look here, we have our channel menu here where you can add some effects to your cymbals there. You have your grooves area here, and this ships with tons of grooves already. You can of course change out cymbals, load up the ones you want. Just double click on the kit piece, go through here. So we have like this 16A custom crash with a stick, then we have an 18A custom China with a mallet, then an 18A custom China with a stick, custom crash with a brush. All kind of great cymbals in this package. You can of course audition these like you do other BFD products. And then you have the option to go to kit mode, and that'll bring in sort of the normal BFD Eco mode where you have drums and then cymbals. Now with this BFD Eco Digital Vault version, you can import other BFD libraries. You can also import your BFD2 library. That'll work in here as well. So if you just set your path, make sure you add your BFD2 library path to the BFD Eco Digital Vault, and you can use drums and cymbals from your BFD2 library within this application as well. So we can see we can double click on this kit, and these are all kicks from BFD2. You can of course use these cymbals with other drum applications as well. Now you can't directly import the samples into another drum application, but it would be as easy as, say, if you're using Strike or Steven Slate drums or Superior Drum or whatever, what you basically want to do is just map everything out in your application of what MIDI note you want to trigger each kit piece, and then just route the correct MIDI notes coming from your hardware, whether it's an eDrum kit or keyboard or whatever. Make sure that's triggering the correct kit pieces. And furthermore, if you happen to have BFD2, you can actually use these cymbals directly within your BFD2 software. So what you'll need to do is, of course, come to your preferences, make sure you set your data path, and after you do that, you'll probably have to trash and rebuild all databases. Then you'll be able to choose from all those great cymbals right in BFD2. So we'll double click here and we'll see we have access to all these. Splash with a brush, splash with a stick, crash with a brush, crash with a mallet. So whether you want to use the cymbal sounds within their own application, BFD2, or use them in conjunction with other drum programs, there's a way to do it. I gotta tell you, these cymbals absolutely sound amazing. So if you're in the market for some great cymbal samples, definitely check out the Gen16 Digital Vault series. They got some great stuff out there.